Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got my giant curly wig on, and there's a very good reason for that. This wig, ever since the day I bought it, has always just made me think of Hermione. When I put this on, I just think of giant unruly curly hair. So I've named this my Hermione wig. So I thought it would be super appropriate to wear it for this unboxing video of my Emporium Beauty box. So I've done one other unboxing for this box so far on my channel. So if you haven't watched it already, I will link it up in the cards, but just to kind of give you a little run through, it is a bi-monthly box. You get it every 2 months, so you only get charged every 2 months, and it is all indie brands, and it's indie brands worldwide. So you might get something from an indie brand in Australia, UK, US, I mean, just all over. It's really cool. It's all handmade stuff. You do pay a bit more for it. I think it's about $35 total with shipping. So it's a little more than something like a BoxyCharm, and sometimes you're not always getting full sized, but you are getting handmade quality products, and I personally think that's totally worth it. So the reason I'm all about the Hermione wig and the Hogwarts shirt and just repping the Harry Potter today is because the theme of this month's box is spells and potions. And when I got the card out, I knew they kind of gave us the little heads up ahead of time that it was going to be spells and potions, but that's all I really looked at. When I got the card, pretty much literally everything on here is named after something Harry Potter themed. So I just had to embrace it because you guys know Harry Potter is definitely one of my favorites. So I'm super excited to dig into this box. So let's just get started. Ooh, only downside of the giant Hermione wig is it's hot. I need some fans on in here. All right, so first off, you got this little card. It's really sweet. They just like personalize it to you. It's handwritten. I just think that's a really nice touch since this is an indie box, so it's all like handmade stuff. And then this is the card that tells me all the details about all the products in it, so I'll give you that information as we get into everything. And then you get all the cute little fun, like whatever this is called. It's like stuff you get in Easter baskets. And they always have candy in here, and I'm really excited about the candy this time. Like this one's a sherbet. I kind of wish it would be like a sherbet lemon. And then a cute little lollipop, and let's see, some other little hard candies. So let me kind of get all this stuff out of the way so that I can see what I'm pulling out. Okay, so we'll start with non-makeup or usable items. So the first thing is in this cute little bag right here. It says Herba Apotheca, and I believe it's a soap. Oh, and it smells amazing. Oh, it's very pretty. So you can see kind of like the marbling in there. This is what the label looks like. So this is the Oblivion Tradita Est. This is a soap bar from the Herba Apotheca. It says scented with spearmint, basil, berry, and vanilla. Pink with chunky green embeds, which it is. It really does smell so good. Oh, and it even has the little Dumbledore quote on here. It says, "It does not do well to dwell on dreams and forget to live," which, if you didn't know, I have tattooed on me. It's my only Harry Potter tattoo, but it always meant something to me. Okay, so that's a fun little item. This wig is driving me crazy. This was not a good move. It's so hot. All right, and so the soap retails for $4.20. All right, so next let's go ahead and get the perfumes out of the way. You do always get perfume samples. I did find that out. So let's go ahead and do one of those. So this first one up is Ridiculous, and it's by Twisted Wonderland. It retails for $3.78. I don't know if it's that, I'm assuming it's for this size. And this is lavender soda pop, sweet caramel drizzle, toasted vanilla marshmallows, fresh blueberry, and just a drop of black pepper. That sounds interesting. I'm kind of getting like a licorice scent. I don't know. I'll have to see how that reacts with my body. Okay, next one is Sectum Sempra, and this is by Andromeda's Curse. This is lilies, sage, Egyptian musk, dirt, incense, and a streak of metallic blood. Let's just go all in there with that spell, why don't we? All right. I probably am not gonna like this one as much because it's the muskier scent. That's not usually my thing. It does have a bit of a muskier note to it. It kind of reminds me of like when you walk into one of those shops that sell incense. That's kind of the scent I'm getting here. So I'm not really a big fan of that one, but I like the other one. And this one is $3.50. All right, I went ahead and pinned back part of my hair because we're about to get into the eyeshadows and highlighter. And this hair was just getting in my eyes. I think I'm gonna need to like maybe cut some layers into this. Okay, so we have 2 eyeshadows in this box. Okay, first up we have Vertimilius from Notoriously Morbid. It's a deep green base with a gold to pink to green multi-chrome and, good lord, and blue to red shifting sparkles. That is a lot. and I'll swatch them after I get this other one open. The next shade is Mischief Managed by Eccentric Cosmetics. This is a warm brown with gold shimmers and green and blue sparkles. All right, so these are the shadows. I'm gonna see if I can get some of that shift and duochrome to pick up. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. It is beautiful. Oh yeah. This one definitely is my perfect all over the lid shade. Okay, so I'm just gonna zip through putting them both on my eyes. I'm probably not gonna do anything too crazy, so. My eyelids are not as tacky as I want them. So I'm gonna get my wax adhesive primer and just add this to the lids. All right, I'm just gonna use my finger and pack the Mischief Managed shade all over my lid, and I just spilled more on my teal. I'm a mess today. That is so beautiful. I mean, I don't know, it's very hard to tell in the viewfinder, so I don't know if you guys are getting this gorgeous iridescent shift that it has. I hope that you are. At least I will do a close-up afterwards, and hopefully you will see it then. I'm gonna take just a fluffy brush and just get the tiniest bit of the Mischief Managed shade on my brush and just very softly soften where the crease is and the outside. Like literally, that's all I'm doing. I would wear this to work, honestly. That is just beautiful. All right, so I'm doing kind of a two-step thing here. With the lower lash line, I have wet this brush so that I can really get full impact on this color, and then I'm gonna pack more on top of it if needed, because I really want the sparkle to show. I'm just gonna dip into that same shade, Verdimillious, with a pencil brush and just kind of soften it out. All right, let me just finish up the eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, let's move on to the next item, which is a highlighter. So this is Expecto Patronum from Shiro Cosmetics. This retails for $9.80. It's something really mysterious and shimmery, shifty, and cool leaning. I love the label on this. Look how beautiful that is. First things first, I am gonna add just a touch to my inner corner because there's nothing highlighted there. Wow, very pretty. All right, so since this is a loose highlighter, I am going to probably just tap it on the back of my hand first and then use it. Oh, it's very pretty. It's definitely, I mean, this isn't going to be one of your like natural highlights. It's got that definite blue shift, and I do feel like you're seeing a bit of a cast on my cheek, but I honestly don't mind that. I don't mind a blinding highlight, and I don't mind kind of like one that stands out and is very obvious. Okay, we have one more thing for the face. It's got a piece of glitter stuck to it. It's a lip balm. So this is the shade Amortentia. It retails for $5.25 and the brand is called Epically Epic Soaps. That's a cute name. And I love that they actually got the Harry Potter font. That's really cool. So Amortentia, let's see what it says. This says, a mother of pearl shimmer with a treacle tart and rose flavor scent. I will say I love how creative a lot of these indie brands are with their flavoring, their color combinations, the names that they call them. It's just, I think it's it shows that a lot of thought went into it. Okay, so let's try Amortentia. I was really expecting this to be kind of stiff, but it just, as soon as it touched my lips, it melted like it was butter practically. I like that it's a very subtle sheen. I feel like this is very wearable. It's almost like a really pale nude with a subtle shimmer. So I really like this. And I am getting like a baked goods type of scent, not like a sweet cake, but yeah, it's interesting. It's good, it's in a good way. So I really like this color. It's very pretty, and I think it goes nicely with my eye look. All right guys, so that's all for my unboxing of this month's Emporium Beauty Box. I, of course, loved this box. All you gotta do is throw something Harry Potter themed at me and I love it. I mean, that's the one thing that drew me into indie cosmetics in the first place, was finding a Harry Potter themed collection. I believe from Geek Chic was the first one that I found, and then I just kind of like stumbled into more from there. So this is definitely my favorite box because it just introduced me to all these brands that apparently have the same geeky mindset as me. So I'm definitely going to be checking out all these brands' websites and Etsy pages. I will have them all linked in the description bar below if you guys want to check out any of their pages as well. I definitely recommend it. It is always just such a good thing to shop small whenever you can, and there are some really amazing quality products being made out there by, you know, people like you and me, you know, that just have the time and the desire to make something and make people happy. My absolute favorite items out of this box have to be the Mischief Managed eyeshadow, which is what I have all over my lid. I can see this becoming a staple in my kind of daily wear. And then I'm gonna say this Amber Tintia lip balm. I just really love the color. I love that it's subtle. I love that it's just like a beautiful nude, and I think it looks gorgeous with, I think it would look beautiful with a really smoky eye. I kind of got some subtle smoky eye going on right now, and I think it looks really pretty. So definitely my favorite. I also honorable mention to the soap because I love handmade soaps. I'm a bit of a Lush junkie. That's pretty much all I use is Lush body washes, soaps, shampoos, and all that kind of stuff. But if I'm not gonna buy a Lush product, I love something that's unique and handmade from like a small shop. When we went to Florida recently, we were staying in a really small town, and I kind of found a really cute like handmade soap at this one little shop, and I bought that and I've loved it. So I can't wait to use this. So, all right, so that's all for this unboxing video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you guys are really liking this kind of introduction into indie brands that I'm giving you. So if you did enjoy this, please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and make sure you have the notification bell clicked. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.